Hey guys, Brian here for Smail Kia. Today I'm going to do a really quick video on how to connect your Android device to Android Auto on your Kia vehicle. Pretty easy, pretty simple. All you have to do, if you go to your main menu here and swipe over to Setup, you're going to go to Device Connections, and then you go Add New Device. In this K5, it automatically came up and asked me to connect to the device here. I'm just going to pair on both because it matched up. And boom, just like that, I am connected to my vehicle. So it's instantly going to bring up my Android Auto. I'm going to sync up my Bluetooth as well. It's going to let me make phone calls, send text messages. It'll allow me to listen to my music here with Android Auto with the Spotify. I can also do searches. For example, if I hold down the button here, give me directions to Smail Kia. There we go. We have our directions right there on the navigation. I can listen to my music over here on the right side, or I could switch it up and listen to whatever else I want, maybe podcasts, things like that. I can go to my navigation and do a whole bunch of other stuff as well. Really great, really easy to just have that connected, and it increases the versatility of your Kia so much. It's really great. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll make sure to get back to you. Until next time, enjoy the ride.